he stood for the people. And I see in the eulogy they have written that he paid, but I would rather have said that he was ready to pay the price. It is important that if we really want, and if we really want to wish the family well, we emulate those two things. Wachaneni na chakula ya watoto, wachaneni na maziwa ya watoto, wachaneni na madawa ya hospitali ya wagonjwa.
Mheshimiwa Raila, baba yetu, these two are your grandchildren. A lot of people, they have told Raila to stay at home so that they can now take over the role. Mheshimiwa James Orengo, now the church, and I also want to caution the church a little bit that time has come where we have to move to liberalism, move away from conservative way of thinking and embrace the young generation. These are the people who are going to chart the destiny of this country. And I can see Dr. Wori, probably during lunchtime somewhere, we are related, because I'm also from that region of the Aworis. Mr. Janji, Engineer Janji, your relative is here. This young man has just come from Atlanta, Georgia. He's in one of the best universities, Emory Universities in Atlanta. I went to give a lecture there some years ago. And this one, we were talking with them this morning at their grandmother's place. Maina Wanjigi paid my fees with JJ Kamodo. When I was at Chokora in Nairobi, when people did not want to look at me, when people did not want to talk to me, when my Luya community had forsaken me, when everybody was smiling at their own discourse, when everybody took me like a mosquito, this man and JJ Kamodo, they educated me. And if I may ask the former chairman of Equity, if he's around, Mr. Munga, please. This is the man who knows me. This is the one who took me. This is the one who used to drive me. This is the one who even took me to Kamodo's funeral. This is the one who used to call me Kamwana. I knew Munga when he had nothing, but he came from where he was up to now. Thank you, Mzee. The Kikuyu community, you have been vilified. Every time a member of the Kikuyu is killed during that mayhem time of Moi, when he killed 1, 10 were born. Now this mountain you see here, a lot of people do not know the secrets in that mountain. That mountain is sacred, Mr. Governor. We who come from very far away, we know the use of that mountain. And without that mountain, you cannot walk your journey and make it. If I may also look at the people who have assisted me, besides the late, who I was talking to Jimmy. Jimmy, please just move here, because you are one of those people that we are looking at our children today to liberate this country, whether you want it or not. And go and tell him wherever he is that Gen Zs have to be recognized, they have to be heard, they have to be talked to, not to be talked upon. The Kenyatta family. And James Orengo, come please, with due respect. Among the people who are still living that helped me, one of the people who played a big role when I was in exile, after having been jailed by Moi, after having been detained by Moi, the person who brought me documents to go to law school was James Agri Orengo. The Kenyatas, I love you. There's another person that I would like to thank very much, and she's not here, is Mama Ida Odinga. Before I was taken after detention, Jaramogi ordered Mama Ida Odinga. I was taken by a car whose registration I still remember, KPJ 089. I was taken by that car to Embakasi Airport, the cargo plane. That's how I left this country to go and study. Now, how am I going to remember Maina? How am I going to remember him? I just learned of his death yesterday when I came back in the country. I had gone to do my research in my second doctorate degree, which is my 15th. given the fact that the foundation in education that I was given by him. With the JJ Kamodo, I gave 10 scholarships. He can agree to that. Now, I'm going to remember him in my preface for my second doctorate. I'll write there, the people who helped me. Top of the name will be JJ Kamodo. Another one will be James Agri Orengo. Another one will be Maina, and I will write a chapter on him. And as for you, the destiny of this country, your father's spirituality, spiritual kind of way of behaving and leading his life. May we join hands, liberate this country, and give our children under the tutelage of Raila Amolo Odinga. May you go and tell your brother, Uhuru Kenyatta, to pick my phone next time. And James, may God bless you, and thank you very much, and thank you again. Thank you, young men. Jenisiye! Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
No, you know,